Indonesia's accessible island chains allow travelers in search of blissful beach scenes and tropical adventure to island hop to their heart's content. With over 18,000 islands and approximately 750 languages or dialects spoken by 300 ethnic groups living among these islands, Indonesia is a truly fascinating destination. If you are looking to venture beyond the tourist traps and explore some of Indonesia's hidden gems, our list of the 11 best suggestions may just tickle your fancy.
Number 1, Karimunjawa Islands, Karimunjawa.
Located in the Java Sea, the Karimunjawa Islands consist of 27 enchanting islands, 22 of which are a designated national park. This destination promises a vibrant underwater world with over 400 species of fish, 300 species of coral, and various aquatic animals. Perfect for snorkeling and observing marine life up close, with the best sights including Menjangan Kessel, Semara Kessel, and more.
To get to Karimunjawa, you'll embark on a journey involving transportation modes, starting with Semarang, the capital of Central Java. Number 2, Komodo National Park.
A UNESCO-listed park in the Lesser Sunda Islands, known for the world's largest lizards, the Komodo dragons. It's also home to Pink Beach, with its unique pink sand caused by tiny organisms.
Reach Komodo by flying to Labuan Bajo on Flores Island, followed by a 3-hour ferry ride. Number 3, Flores. Named after the Portuguese word for flowers, Flores offers unique cultural experiences due to its Portuguese history. Mount Kelimutu's crater lakes, which change colors daily, are awe-inspiring natural wonders. Don't miss the stunning Koka Beach, located south of the Kelimutu Ecolodge. Access Flores through Komodo Airport in Labuan Bajo. Number 4, Lombok. Lombok, situated near Bali, offers tranquility and adventure, with Mai Beach for surfers and Mount Rinjani for trekkers. Despite its proximity to Bali, Lombok has a distinct ecosystem due to the Wallace Line. Accessible from various locations, including Bali, Jakarta, Makassar, Surabaya, and Singapore. Number 5, Raja Ampat Islands. Located in West Papua, Raja Ampat is famous for its marine biodiversity and stunning natural beauty. Divers encounter rare species such as pygmy seahorses and walking sharks. The Wayag Islands are renowned for their dramatic karst formations. Reach Raja Ampat by flying to Sorong and then taking a ferry or speedboat. Number 6, Gili Islands. The Gili Islands, off the coast of Lombok, offer diverse experiences. Gili Trawangan is lively, Gili Nino is serene, and Gili Air offers a mix of both. No motorized vehicles are allowed, instead, bicycles and horse-drawn carriages are common. Accessible by ferry from Bali or Lombok. Number 7, Bintan Island. Just an hour by ferry from Singapore, Bintan boasts Trikora Beach and the charming village of Senggarang. Trikora Beach is known for its white sandy shores. Senggarang is home to a significant Chinese population with a rich history. Travel options include flying from Jakarta to Bintan or taking a ferry from Singapore. Number 8, Derawan Islands. Located in East Kalimantan, these islands are a paradise for divers due to their rich marine life, including stingless jellyfish. Most tourists fly to Barau and then take a smaller boat to reach the Derawan Islands. Number 9, Bali. Bali is renowned for its stunning landscapes, rich culture, and vibrant art scene. It's easily accessible with many international flights and serves as a gateway to other Indonesian islands. Number 10, Banda Islands. Historically known for spice production, the Banda Islands now attract tourists with their coral reefs and marine life. Visitors can take a small plane or ferry from Ambon to reach Banda. Number 11, Belitung. Belitung is a diverse island with a mix of ethnic groups living harmoniously. In 2021, it was designated as a UNESCO Global Geopark due to its unique geology and culture. Travelers can fly from Jakarta to Tanjung Pandan on Belitung Island or take a speedboat from the neighboring Bangka Belitung Island.